Hello guys, good evening all of you. This is your mentor Akash Pahurkar from Unacademy, and in this session we are going to understand this set theory and Venn diagrams. This is the topic that we are going to learn today. How are you all? Welcome to my session guys, and let everyone know that we have started with this session. So the today's topic is set theory and Venn diagrams. I hope all of you have understood the previous topics sir might have taught you, and let's start with this session quickly. How are you all? Quickly tell me. Quickly say hi in the chat box, guys. I hope everyone is doing well. Yeah. Quickly say hi in the chat box, everyone. And please confirm whether my voice is audible enough or not. Yes. Hello, guys. Yeah. Hi, Arsh. How are you? And let others know, guys, that we have started with this session. Okay, so the link which is visible here, that is tinyurl.com/unacademyakash. Using this link you can watch my previous sessions which I have taken on YouTube. Okay, and hi Vaishnavi, good evening all of you. So can you quickly tell me what are the different topics you have learned previously? Can you confirm? Yeah, hello Adharv, hi. It's great to see you all of you here, guys. Let's start with this session quickly. So I hope all of you will enjoy this session, and we are going to have some puzzles also and set theory and Venn diagrams. This is anyway a logical reasoning topic, so you are going to understand everything. Don't worry at all. We will enjoy this session, and whatever doubts you have, you are supposed to tell me. Okay. uh, don't worry at all. Whenever you feel that you didn't understand anything, you need to tell me quickly as soon as possible, so that I can clear your doubts. Okay, I can address your doubts. So all of you, please tell me whether my voice is audible enough or not. Quickly tell me, guys. Yeah, hello guys. I believe my voice is audible, and let's start with this session now. Okay, and something about myself before we move further. I have completed my mechanical engineering in 2015, and it's been around 5 years that I've been training for CAT exam and other MBA entrance exams as well. And also I have been training for placement preparation in multiple colleges. Around more than 6,000 students I have trained till date, and this is our YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't liked, share and subscribe to this channel, please do it quickly, guys. Okay, so let us start with this. And all of you must know, if you are preparing for any examination, then you can get the plus subscription of Unacademy. You can use my code SKY10, and you'll get a 10% off on any subscription plan you're going for. So it will be great if you use this code. Quickly take the screenshot of this, and yes, let's start with this, guys. Okay, yeah, so let's start with this. And Arsh, Vaishnavi, Adarv, Pooja, Sakshi, Rutuja, Vaishnavi, good evening all of you. It's great to see you here. So shall we start with this now? All of you quickly give me a thumbs up in the chat box. Oh, that's great, very good. Okay, all right, Sakshi. So you are in third year now. Okay, that's all right. So if you have, if you are planning for any examination, then you can quickly get the subscription and start your preparation thoroughly. And on our YouTube channel, anyways, we are there are different educators who will train you for different topics. That will be really amazing for you if you watch all the videos. Okay, that's great. So hi, Pooja. Okay, chalo, let's start with this, guys. First of all, before we start this session, I want you guys to solve this puzzle. It's a very simple puzzle, guys, based on cricket match. I believe all of you know the different rules of cricket. Yes or no, guys? Quickly tell me. I hope all of you know the rules. So the question is, what is the highest number of runs a single batsman can score in a 50-over match, provided there are no bonus runs given or extra balls bowled? Yes. So please quickly give me the answer of this question. I am waiting for everyone's answer, guys. I want answer from every one of you. So give me the answer quickly. What will be the answer of this question? It's a very simple question, and it's just a food for thought puzzle. Okay, so we are going to start with a simple puzzle now. Yeah, tell me, guys, what will be the answer of this question? 1800. Okay, Avnish. So basically, since my childhood, in our childhood, everyone's is dream like you'll hit a six on every ball of 50 overs match. 50 overs and 50 multiplied by 6, there will be 300 balls. On 300 balls, we used to feel that I'll hit a six on every ball. This used to be a dream of like every boy in India, right? But it's not true, guys. It's not possible to hit a six on every ball. Okay, because you will not be able to play every ball if you are hitting a six on every ball of first over, for example, because strike will change. Okay, so some of you are giving the answers. I want answer from everyone. Think about this question. If you already know the answer, let others think, guys. Okay, let others think, and I'll explain this question. It's a very simple question. First of all, let everyone think. Quickly give me the answer. It's quite simple question. You must know that if you hit six on all the six balls, then what will happen in the next over? Your strike will change and you will not be able to play the first ball of next over. Then you will not be able to hit a six there. So in this way, what should be the answer? Yeah, quickly tell me. I believe the basic rules, all of you must be knowing the basic rules of cricket. Even if you are, even if girls must be knowing the basic rules. Okay, so think about this, guys. Okay, Arsh, very good. Yeah, tell me the answer quickly. क्या होगा? Should I explain, guys? Should I explain? It's quite a simple question. It's a very simple question. You'll understand everything. Don't worry at all. I'll explain everything in detail. Okay, so fine. Listen to me carefully. If you want to maximize the total number of runs, first of all, there is one thing possible. Only first batsman can score the maximum run. Okay, the first opener who will be there, he can score the maximum runs. No, Chetan, 1800 is not possible. I'll explain. Okay, listen to me carefully. If you want to maximize the runs, we will feel that on every ball we want to hit a six, but it's not true, because if you hit a six on every ball, then you'll not get the strike in the next over. If you want to maximize your runs, you need to get your strike back in the next over also. So what we can do is, on first 5 balls of first over, we will hit 6 on first 5 balls. That is, you will 30 runs on first 5 balls, and you will have to score odd number of runs. You will have to score odd number of runs in the last ball, so that you will get your strike back in the next over. Yes or no? Did you understand this part, what I am saying? I hope all of you are able to understand this, right? On the last ball, that is one ball, now the number of odd runs we can score is 1 or 3. So we will score 3 runs on the last ball. So basically in 1 over, 33 runs can be scored maximum. 33 runs we can score maximum in 1 over in order to get your strike back in the next over, right? I hope all of you are able to understand this part. Okay, and so 33 runs multiplied by 49 plus till 49 overs, you will have to score 33 runs per over, and after that what will happen in the last over, guys? Can you tell me quickly how many runs should we score in the last over? Can you tell me quickly? Anyone? Quickly tell me, guys. In the last over, we need not get our strike back in the last over. That's why on every ball of last over we'll hit a 6 over here. Very good, Arsh and Adhar, very good. So 36 runs we are going to score. So in total your answer will be 1653. This is the total number of runs a single batsman can score. This is the maximum runs a single batsman can score without any no balls or white balls or leg by runs. Okay, there should not be any bonus runs or any bonus extra balls. Okay, so single-handedly a batsman can score maximum 1653 runs, not more than that. I hope all of you have understood this puzzle. Is that clear, guys, all of you? I believe all of you have understood this and there is no doubt. So shall we move further quickly? All of you give me a thumbs up if you have understood this puzzle. If you love this puzzle, quickly hit the like button and give me a thumbs up, guys. Let's quickly move further and we are going to start this set theory and Venn diagrams part today. Okay, and believe me, you'll understand everything step by step, and please tell me whenever you feel if I'm going too fast or too slow, whatever pace, if you are not comfortable with it, you can quickly tell me. Okay, so let's start with this now. So first of all, we are going to understand the different types of sets. Okay, so the first type of set is null set, void set or empty set. Okay, so what do we mean by null set, void set or empty set? A set which doesn't have any element in that is called as null set, right? For example, let's say a set A, it doesn't have any element in that, right? So we can call it as phi, that is it's a null set, it doesn't contain any element. Chetan, what's your doubt? You asked me a question, I guess. Is there any doubt, Chetan? Let's quickly start with this now. So there should not be any element in that set. Now some of the students might get confused if we have 0 in this set, let's say. So some of the students might still say that this is a null set, but no guys, this will not be a null set because we still have one element in that. Okay, we still have one element in this set, that is 0. 0 is an element. We cannot call this as a null set, so this will not be a null set. Okay, so for a null set we should not have even a single element in that set. So very simple. I hope all of you understood this part. Chalo, infinite set. For example, if I say set A consists of all the natural numbers, right? Set A consists of all the natural numbers. Now how many natural numbers do we have? Can you tell me from which number natural numbers start? Can you tell me, guys? What is the difference between natural number and whole number? Anyone, can you give me the idea? What is the difference between natural number and whole number? It's quite simple. Quickly tell me. Very good, Chetan. So natural numbers start from 1. Exactly. Very good. So natural numbers start from 1 and whole numbers start from? And whole number will start from which number? Exactly. Very good. So natural numbers start from 1, whole numbers start from 0. Quite simple. So if we have a set that is which contains natural number, exactly, Adarv, Arsh, Kajal, very good, amazing guys. So it will have infinite elements because 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, there are infinite elements in this set. So such sets are called as infinite set. For example, set of natural numbers, set of even numbers, set of whole numbers, set of prime numbers. So these sets can be infinite set. It will contain infinite numbers. Okay. Now finite set. Let's say if I have a set A which consists of only alphabets. Okay, which consists of only alphabets. Now we know that there are only 26 alphabets. It means that it will not have infinite elements. It will have elements which we can count. So that's why 26 elements will be there in this set. That's why it is a finite set. Quite simple, guys. So this basic theoretical part we are going to cover quickly, and then we'll understand how to approach different questions, and meanwhile I'll keep asking you different puzzles also. You will understand everything. We are going to enjoy this session, guys. Okay, chalo. Singleton set is nothing but there should be only one element in that set. For example, set A consists of only 1. Okay, there is only one element in that, that is 1. So this is the singleton set. Quite simple, we need not think much about it. Okay, now subset and superset. What is subset, superset? Let's try to understand. Please give me your 100% focus, guys. Okay, All of you, please try to understand what is subset and superset. It's quite simple. Some of you must be knowing this. Okay, some of you must be knowing this, what is subset and superset. Okay, let us consider set A. It consists of natural numbers. Okay, set A consists of natural numbers, and set B is consists of only 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now all of you please try to understand. Now B is subset of A and A is superset of B. Okay, A is superset of B. Now I'll write down those two statements which you must understand. B is subset of A, and the second statement is A is superset of B. Now please try to understand one thing. Why B is subset of A? Because the elements which are contained inside set B, those are just 3 elements, and there are more elements than that in set A. Okay, so all the elements in B are present inside A. That's why B is subset, right? And A is called as superset of it. I hope all of you understood this part. It's quite simple. Okay, now can you give me one more example of let's say subset of A? Can you tell me quickly, guys? Can you give me one more example of subset of A? A is a set which consists of all the natural numbers. So can anyone of you give me one more example of subset of A? Tell me quickly, guys. Anyone? It's quite simple. It's quite simple. Very good, Arsh. Amazing. Very simple. Let's say there is a set C. Set C will be 5, 6 and 7. So C is also subset of A, set of even numbers. Very good, Kajal. Amazing. One more example given by yes, Kajal. Chetan, Chetan, you gave me one example. Every digit given by you is correct. But do you think 0 will be included? Do you think 0 will be included? Obviously not, because 0 is not a natural number. It's a whole number. So 0 will not be included. If you remove 0, then you can say that 4, 9, 8. Achha, it's a big number, or there are different digits you are saying? If you are saying that it's a 4,98,029, then that one number can be a subset, but different numbers. Yeah, very good, Avnish. Prime number also you can take. Amazing. Very good. So I believe all of you have understood the concept of subset and superset. Okay. And one more concept I want you to understand. Null set is always a subset of any given set. Null set is always the subset of any given set. For example, if we have a set D and it is a null set, this is phi. Phi means what? Null set. D will be subset of A, D will be subset of B, and D can be subset of C also. Just remember this part. I hope you understood this. Okay, all right, Chetan. All right, no issues. Very good, guys. Very good. Chalo. Amazing. So subset and superset, it was quite simple. I believe you have understood this part. So shall we move further, guys? And just I want to understand, is this pace okay? Is this speed okay with which I'm going ahead? I hope you are able to understand everything. And if you feel that I'm going too fast, then you can tell me in between. I'll slow it down a little bit. But otherwise, we can move further. Fine. Very good, Sakshi. All right. Chalo, quickly start with the power set now. Okay. Now, let us try to understand what is a power set. Let's say there is a set A. Okay. Let's say there is a set A, and set A consists of only 1 and 2. Okay. Only 1 and 2. Can you tell me different subsets possible for A? Can you name all the subsets possible for A? Can anyone tell me quickly? What are the different subsets possible for A? There can be multiple subsets possible. So what can be those sets? Quickly tell me, guys. I want answer from everyone. Quickly tell me. What are the different subsets possible for set A? Everyone, tell me quickly. It's very, very simple. Let us say I have a set. Very good, Arsh. So you are saying 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good, exactly. Avnish, also very good. You have told me an answer. Three subsets are possible. Okay. Three subsets are possible. Do you think is there any possibility of more than three subsets? Very good, Invincible, exactly. Very good. But still you have missed Avnish. Very good. Null set will also be there because in the previous slides I have mentioned, I have told you that null set will always be a subset of every single set. Okay. So different sets possible are 1, let's say. Another set is only 2. Another set is 1, 2. And the other set is 5, which is a null set. Now some of you might be very good, Adharva. Now you are have Adharva 1 2 or 2 1. We can, this is not permutation. We are not going to arrange them. 1 2 or 2 1. It's a single set. We cannot count them as a two different sets. Is that clear, Adharva? Is that clear? Now some of you might be wondering that why I have taken 1 2 as a subset when there is only 1 2 in the original set, but still the set itself can be called as a subset of itself. Okay, set A is a subset of itself, so it's not an issue. I hope you understood this. So basically there are four elements over here. Okay, there are four elements in the power set. So this set is called as power set of set A. This set is called as power set, which is made up of all the subsets of A. Okay, all the subsets of A. Quite simple, guys. Now I'll increase the number of elements now. Quickly tell me 1, 2 and 3. I want all of you to give me the different subsets possible for 1, 2 and 3 now. Can you tell me quickly? What are the different subsets possible for 1, 2 and 3? I want answers from every one of you. So give me the answer, guys. Okay. What are the different subsets possible for 1, 2 and 3? Arsh, okay, very good, very good. So you are saying that there are 8 subsets possible. So what are those 8 subsets? Let's say 1 2 3 1 2 2 3 1 3 1 2 3 exactly, and null set. Amazing, Arsh, exactly. So let's say only 1, only 2, Ekta, that's right, there are 8 sets. Only 3, 1 2 1 3 2 3 and 1 2 and 3 and null set, which is 5. So this is called as power set of this set B, and there are total 8 elements over here. There are total 8 elements. Previously there were 4 elements and now there are 8 elements. Exactly, very good. Now if we have, let's say 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Now I don't want how many subsets are which are those subsets. Can you quickly tell me what will be the total number of elements in the power set of this set C? Can anyone tell me quickly? Very good, Amnish, exactly. Can anyone tell me the number of elements in the power set of set C? Quite simple question. I want answer from every one of you guys. It's a very, very simple question, and hit the like button, guys, if you are able to understand everything. So these are just the theoretical part. We are going to cover this theory part quickly and then we'll move to the questions. Exactly, Arsh, Avnish, Chetan, Invincible, Adharv, very good. Because yes, there will be 16 sets possible. And why? Because you must have understood, if there were 2 elements in set A, the number of elements were 2 to the power 2. When there were 3 elements in set B, 2 to the power 3 were the elements in power set, If there are 4 elements, that will be 2 to the power 4. I believe you have understood one important concept here, that if we have n elements in a particular set, then the total number of elements in the power set will be what? That will be 2 to the power n. This will be the total number of elements in the power set of any particular set. I believe all of you understood this part and there is no doubt. Yes? Quickly give me a thumbs up, guys, all of you. I hope you are able to understand this. So with you, this is my first session, and we are going to have 2 more sessions of logical reasoning together. I believe all of you will enjoy these sessions, and trust me, we'll try to make these sessions interesting. I'll keep taking puzzles, different puzzles. Okay. So chalo, let's quickly move further now. I hope you have understood this power set. Now, what do we mean by roster notation? What do we mean by roster notation? Okay, now before we move further, I'll just quickly ask one thing. Can you tell me what is odd one out? Odd man out in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Can you quickly tell me what is odd man out in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? It's a very simple question, but some of you might get confused why, what is the odd man out? Quickly tell me. Before we move further, just a simple question for you guys. What is odd man out in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Tell me quickly. One. Chetan, you are saying, and with your answer, I want the logic also, okay? With your answer, I want the logic as well. Neither prime nor composite, okay? So your answer is 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. This logic would have been correct had it been that all the other elements are either prime or all the other elements are composite. In that case, this logic would have been correct. But 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers and 4 is a composite number. That is why this logic will not be correct. No. Avnish, I told you now. If you think that 4 is odd man out because it's a composite number, then also it will be wrong, because if you use this logic, then according to that logic, all the other numbers should be prime numbers. But it's not true. 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers and 1 is neither prime nor composite. So you cannot use that logic. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just give you a hint. The hint is there is nothing mathematical over here. Okay, there is nothing mathematical. Now think about this question, all of you. There is nothing mathematical in this question. You have to think in a different way for this question. Okay, I'll just give you another hint. The logic is you have to think about their spellings. Okay, you have to think about their spellings. Ekta, 3 is curve. No. 3 is curve. Then you might say that 1 is a straight line over here. No, that will not be any. That will not be the logic. All right, but it was a fun logic. All right, fine. Chalo, I'll just write their spellings. We have 1, then TWO, then THREE, then FOUR and FIVE. Now, okay, yeah, you are saying that 4 contains 4 alphabets, but I'll explain why this will not be a correct logic, because all the others elements should have same number of letters then. Okay, now just check for the number of vowels in all these spellings. Quickly check the number of vowels in all these spellings, guys. What is the number of vowels in all these spellings? Quickly check out the number of vowels in all these spellings. We have 2 vowels over here. We have 1 vowel in 2, 2 vowels over here, 2 vowels over here, and 5 vowels over here. Okay, so 2, there are in every spelling we have 2 vowels, but in the spelling of 2, Chetan, answer will be 2 because it has only one vowel inside it. Okay, and this question is asked many times in many exams. This question has been asked, and this is the logic they have given, right? So 2 is the odd one out because it contains only one vowel. You might have understood because in every other spelling there the number of vowels are equal. That's why 2 is odd one out. I believe you understood this now. Okay, so let's quickly move further. All of you just give me a thumbs up. I hope you are enjoying this session, and like this I'll be taking multiple puzzles, guys, so don't worry. We will I'll try to keep this session just interesting like this, but I want you guys to participate in the chat box and keep answering all my questions, and whatever your doubts you have, just keep asking the doubts, guys. Okay, chalo. So what do we mean by roster notation? Roster notation is nothing but, let's say, if set A consists of, okay, thank you so much, guys, very good, Chetan, Invincible, Kajal, Avnish. Okay, so set A consists, let's say, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is called as roster notation, where we have all the elements, all the 4 elements we have written separately. Okay, this is called as roster notation. If you are writing all the elements separately inside that set, then it is a roster notation to represent as a set. Okay, now since there were only 4 elements inside this set, that's why it was possible to write down the 4 elements. Now let us consider if there were 500 elements, then we cannot write down each and every element. Then we should have another representation possible, that is called as a set builder notation. Now what do we mean by set builder notation? Let's try to understand. Listen to me carefully. Set builder, according to set builder notation, set A consists of X. Okay, set A consists of X, where X is greater than, let's say, greater than 4 and less than 500, where X belongs to natural numbers. This is called as set builder notation. So how to read this? I'll quickly explain. A consists of element X, where X is greater than 4 and less than 500, and X belongs to natural number. It means that we can directly understand from 5 to 499 all the elements which are natural numbers are contained inside this set. Now we need not write all the elements from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 499. Is that clear, guys? I believe you understood this part. It's quite simple. चलो जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं. अभी देखते हैं कि what is union of sets. Okay, let's say set A is there, which is 1, 2, 3, and set B is there, which is 2, 3 and 4. Okay, if we represent these sets with a Venn diagram, what do we mean by Venn diagram? Venn diagram is nothing but a circle drawn for to represent each and every set. Then what will be the Venn diagram of A and B? The Venn diagram of A and B will be like this. That is, this belongs to A and this belongs to B, where the common elements which are 2 and 3 will be inside the common part. That is, 2 will be here, 2, 3 will be here, 1 here and 4 here. So union of sets, the union of sets will be what? It is written as A union B. It is written as A union B. That is, we'll have to write down all the elements which are contained inside set A and B. Okay, and we need not count them twice. We have to count them only once. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is called as the union of sets A and B. Okay, I believe all of you are able to understand this. Okay, this is nothing but union. You just have to add all the elements which are contained inside those sets. And there is intersection of sets. Now what do we mean by intersection of sets? Again, let's say set A is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and set B is 3, 4, 5 and 6. First of all, let's draw the Venn diagram for both the sets. This is A, this is B. The common element will be here, and 1, 2 here and 5, 6 here. Now A intersection B is written like this, A intersection B, and A intersection B means we have to add all those elements which are common for both these sets. Okay, we have to write down all those elements which are common for both the sets, which are 3 and 4. I hope you understood this part. So let's quickly move further now. We have understood many basics parts of this, and let's understand complement of sets. Okay, complement of sets means what? Now let's say this is set A, which consists of alphabets. Okay, this is a set which consists of alphabets, and there is a set inside this. Let's say this is called as set X, and this is set Y, which consists of vowels. Okay, which consists of vowels. Now if we want Y dash, if we want y dash is nothing but complement of set Y. Complement means what? Except all the vowels, will have to write down all the other remaining elements. That will be called as complement of set. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this, guys. And just after this, now we are going to solve the questions, so don't worry. Many questions we will practice, and you'll understand each and every topic, so don't worry at all. Okay, so this will be B, C, D, F, G and H, and like this. Except all the vowels, we can write all the elements. Okay, all the other alphabets. Okay, all the consonants if you want to understand. चलो अभी जल्दी से हम प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट लुक एट दिस सेट्स, ऑल ऑफ यू. First of all, just look at these sets. There are 4 sets given over here, A, B, C, D. Okay, and there is a universal set U. Okay, universal set is only those elements which we are interested in. Only those elements which we are interested in. That is, this is a set builder notation which I have explained to you earlier. This was a set builder notation. Universal set is a set which consists of X with all the elements less than 300, where X belongs to all the positive natural numbers. Okay, all the positive natural numbers, natural numbers. I hope you understood this. And there are 4 different sets given over here. Okay, for A, B, C, D. Just think about this, and the question 1 will be, we want A intersection B. The first question is, we want A intersection B. So can you tell me A intersection B will be what? Which will be the elements which are contained inside A intersection B? Can you tell me quickly, all of you? A intersection B. Tell me, guys. What will be the elements contained inside A intersection B? I want all of you to give me the answer now. Okay, Chetan, do you think 15 and 45 will be inside A intersection B? Do you think 15 and 45 we can take? We know that B is B is a set of all the even numbers, and A is a set which consists of all the multiples of 15. Very good, Avnish. Exactly. This is what we wanted, because since set A is consisting of all the multiples of 15, and set B consists of all the even numbers. Now it means that we cannot take the odd multiples of 15. We will have to take only even multiples of 15. That is 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. Very good, Arsh. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. Exactly. Amazing, guys. Okay, all right, Chetan, not an issue. Very good, guys. Very good. So there will be total 6 elements in A intersection B. I believe you understood this part. Okay, it's quite simple question. I want everyone to quickly give me a thumbs up if you have understood this part. Now, in the next question is, we want A intersection D. Now, tell me what will be A intersection D. Can you tell me quickly, guys? What is A intersection D? I want everyone to answer this. What is A intersection D? I want answer from every one of you. Quickly tell me, guys. A intersection D. It's a very simple thing. Uh, A consists of all the multiples of 15 and D consists of all the multiple of 3. Very good, Avnish, exactly. We will have to take entire set A because in set A, all the multiples of 15 will be the multiples of 3 as well. Because 15 itself is a multiple of 3, then all the multiples of 15 will also be multiple of 3. I hope all of you are able to understand. Very good, Avnish and Arsh, exactly. So we'll have to take all the elements, that is entire set A we will have to take. Very good, guys. So A intersection D is entire set of A. Very simple. Very good, Avnish and Arsh. I want all of you to participate in this chat box, guys. Only then you'll understand everything. Now, A union C. The third question is Ekta Kumari. Ekta, just tell me one thing. Ekta, just tell me one thing. You are talking about in this set A, we can take 20 elements. Is it true? Can you tell me, guys, all of you, will there be 20 elements in there? A intersection D, if you are talking about, will there be 20 elements? How many elements will be there? Can you tell me quickly? How many elements will be there in A intersection D? For sure there will not be 20 elements. And why 20 elements will not be there? I want you to give me the answer. Very good, Chetan. 19 elements will be there. And why? Can you tell me quickly why 19 elements? Anyone? No, not 7. Not 7. There will be 19 elements because 300 is not available. 297? No, Chetan. 297 we cannot take big. We cannot take 297, guys, because 297 is a multiple of 3, but it is not a multiple of 15. So 297 will not be the last element. The last element will be 285. This will be the last element because last multiple of 3 and 15 will be 285. We cannot take exactly. Very good, Chetan. So less than 300 is given, that's why 285 will be the last element. Okay, I hope you understood this now. It will be the last element because 300 cannot be taken. Okay, all of you give me a thumbs up if you have understood this part. I hope all of you are able to understand everything. So we still have around 50 minutes, guys. Be here with me. We are going to enjoy this session, and meanwhile I'll keep asking you different puzzles also. So be here with me. We still have 50 minutes. We'll take a lot of different questions. Now the third question was A union C. The third question was A union C. So tell me, guys, what are the elements in A union C? Quickly tell me. I want all of you to give me the answer. A union C. The set of all natural numbers divisible by 5. Set of all natural numbers divisible by 5. Very good, Chetan, exactly. Now you can take entire set C. Very good. You can take entire set C. Amazing, Chetan. That's right. Because set A is anyways all the multiples of 15 will be multiples of 5 also. That's why if you want union, then 5, all the multiples of 5 we can take from 5 to 295 now. Okay, from 5, 10, 15 and so on till the last element we can take is 295. Very simple. So this will be the elements in A union C. I hope you understood this part. And the last question is, okay, now the last question you need to give me the correct answer. C intersection B intersection D complement. Okay, so all of you please give me the correct answer for this. C intersection B intersection D complement. Now think about this. It's a good question, guys. C intersection, B intersection, and D complement. So what will be the intersection of these three sets? I want all of you to give me the answer quickly. Think about this, guys. C intersection, B intersection, complement of D. Yes, that's right. C is all the multiples of 5. B is all the even numbers. B is all the even numbers, and D dash. Okay, D dash is see, D is all the multiples of 3. That is, we cannot take all multiples of 3 now. Okay, we cannot take multiples of 3 now. Don't you think we'll have to take all the multiples of 5 which are even numbers? Okay, all the multiples of 5 which are even numbers because of C and B, and which are not multiple of 3. That is, we can take 10, 20, but not 30. We cannot take 30. So 40, then 40, then 50. We cannot take 60. Exactly, Invincible. Very good, Arsh. Very good, Arsh. And Invincible, exactly. That's the correct. And we can take only after 60 we cannot take 70, then 80, 90 cannot be taken, 100 and 110, 120 cannot be taken. This will go till 200. We cannot go above 200 because set B is only till 200. Okay, set B is only till 200, so we cannot take elements greater than 200. So all of you guys, give me a thumbs up. Did you understand this question? I hope you understood this question. It's quite simple question, guys. So be here with me. We are going to enjoy this session. Okay, one more question for you. One more food for thought question. Can anyone tell me the longest word you remember in English? Quickly tell me, guys. So Chetan, Ekta, Adharv, Invincible, Arsh. Tell me, guys, quickly. Avnish, Chetan. Which is the longest word you know or you remember in English? Longest in the sense having maximum letters in that. Okay, so Avnish has given us a word Mississippi. I guess in Mississippi there will be around 10 letters. Around 10 letters are there in Mississippi. Anyone else? Can you tell me more than 10 letters? Any word with more than 10 letters? Quickly tell me, guys. Anyone with more than 10 letters? Tell me quickly, all of you. Invisible. Invisible, it will also, I guess it has only 9 letters, Ekta. Invisible, it has only around 9 letters. Any word having more than 10 letters, can you give me the answer? Anyone? Any word having more than 10 letters? Do you remember any word? Extraordinary. Okay, very good, Invincible. You have given extraordinary. I guess it will have around 12, 13 letters. Okay, Adharva, very good. Very good. So this is a word given by Adharva. How many letters does it have? Can you tell me quickly? Extraordinary. Okay. Okay, fine. Very good. So one word is given by Adharva. I'll tell you another word, guys. Okay, listen to me carefully. I want you guys to calculate the number of letters in this. Okay. All of you. I'm writing a word over here. So quickly tell me how many letters does it have? Yes. I hope it is visible to every one of you. It is anti-disestablishmentarianism. Okay. It is anti-disestablishmentarianism. It contains, very good, Invincible. It contains total 28 letters. Yes, and just imagine, still this is not the longest word in English. I'll give you one more word and try to pronounce this word now. I cannot hear you, but try to pronounce this word now. The next word I'm going to write over here. Very good, Invincible Chetan. Chalo. The next word is, okay, Sakshi. The meaning of this word is, there were campaigns in England to destroy the churches. Okay, to disestablish the churches. There were the campaigns which were held. The names of those campaigns were anti-disestablishmentarianism. Okay. Now the next word is, okay. Tell me quickly, guys. Yeah, can you tell me, can you pronounce this? Now I cannot hear you obviously, but try to pronounce this yourself. And how many letters are there? It is very good, Chetan, exactly. It contains total 35 letters. Okay, it is hippopotamonstrosesquipedaliophobia. Okay, it is, I'll tell you again, hippopotamonstrosesquipedaliophobia. Now, you must know what is a phobia. Phobia is nothing but fear of something. So, what is the meaning of this word? Fear of hippopotamus? No, obviously not. Okay, it's not fear of hippopotamus. It is the fear of long words. This is the meaning of this word, fear of long words. That is hippopotamonstrosesquipedaliophobia. Yes. Now, if you are wondering for this word, now you'll surely go crazy for the next word which I'm going to write. Chetan, you will go crazy in the next word which I'm going to write over. Now the last word, guys, the last word I'm writing over here now. So all of you, please just try to calculate the number of letters in this word. Okay. Yes, try to calculate the number of letters here now. Very good, Adharva. Exactly. It contains total 45 letters. Yes. It is pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Yes, this is the pronunciation of this word, and you will wonder, you will really wonder that this is still not the longest word in the English. Okay. And the next word I'm not going to write. Don't worry at all. This was the last word. Its pronunciation is very good, Ekta. Yes, 45 letters in that. Yes, Vaishnavi, that's correct. So it is pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Okay, the volcanic, because of yes, okay, Sakshi, I'll repeat. For the first word, the meaning is, there were campaigns held in England to disestablish churches. Okay, those campaigns are called as anti-disestablishmentarianism, the first word. And for the second word, its meaning is fear of long words. Okay, fear of big words, fear of long words. This is the meaning of hippopotamonstrosesquipedaliophobia. And the third word is pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Because of volcanic eruption, the ash, if you breathe that ash, it will cause a lung disease. That disease is called as pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Okay, so just for your information, guys, this is just for fun and for your information. The longest word in English, it contains around 1 lakh 80, more than 1,89,000 letters in it. Okay, it has more than 1,89,000 letters. Now just imagine, after this session you can just search that video on YouTube. Some of few people just pronounce that word and uploaded the video. It is a 3.5 hours long video, I guess. Yes, so just for your information. Now let's quickly move further, guys. If you want to take the screenshot, quickly take the screenshot. We'll move further now with the next question. All of you. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the next question now, guys. Yeah, try to solve this one quickly. I want everyone to solve this question. It's quite simple question based on set theory now. So in a group of 95 children, 40 play cricket, 54 play football and 12 play both cricket and football. Okay, find the number of children who play. Now there are 4 questions based on this. Okay, so give me the answers quickly. It's a quite simple question. There are total 95 children. Okay, and we know that this is the set of cricket, this is the set of football. There are 40 students who play cricket. Okay, very good. And there are total 54 children who play football, and there are 12 who play both. Now if there are 12 who are playing both, then out of cricket, the 40 which is of cricket, the 12 came at the center. So the remaining 28 will be here and remaining 42 will be here. Very good, guys, amazing. Amazing. 32 played football only. uh, no, I guess Chetan, 32 won't be the answer. See, cricket only are there are 28. This is the answer of first question. Football only, for football only there are 42 children who play only football. Okay. 42, yeah, very good. 42 is the answer. At least one game. Now what do we mean by at least one game? 28 plus 12 plus 42. So total there will be 82 children who play at least one game. Now just give me a minute, guys. All of you please just give me a minute. Okay. Chalo. So there are 82 who play at least one game, neither cricket nor football. What will be the answer? There were total 95 children. Out of them, only 82 are playing at least one game. So remaining 13 children will not play any of the games. I believe you understood this part and there is no doubt over here. Yes? Very good, Chetan. That's right. Very good. Chalo, the next question now. Yes, try to solve this question, guys. All of you, I want all of you to give it a thought and think about this question. It's quite a simple one. Yes, I want you guys to solve this question quickly. In an examination, 43 passed in mathematics, 52% passed in physics, and 52% passed in chemistry. Okay, so there are total three subjects over here, right? So there are three subjects like this. So this is physics, this is mathematics, and this is chemistry. So 43% passed in mathematics. This is 43%. Physics, there are 52% total. Okay, and chemistry there are total. Uh, chemistry there are 52%. It is also given in this question that just a minute. Give me a minute, guys. I'll write this 52% to the left side. Okay, physics there are 52%. Okay, now it is given that only 8% passed in all three, so 8% should be here. Okay, 14% passed in maths and physics, 14% passed in maths and physics, so this should be 14%. 21% passed in mathematics and chemistry, so mathematics and chemistry there are total 21%. And 20% passed in physics and chemistry, so this should be 20%. Okay, now can you quickly complete this Venn diagram, all of you? I want you guys to complete this Venn diagram and then we'll move further. Quickly try to solve this quickly, guys, all of you. Think about this quickly. If this out of this 14%, if 8% went at the center, तो बचा कितना? अभी 14 में से अगर सेंटर पे 8 चला गया तो बचेगा कितना? टोटल 6% विल बी हियर. ये जो 20% है, 20% का अगर 8 यहाँ पे सेंटर पे चला गया तो बचेगा 12%, वो यहाँ पे रहेगा. नाउ सिमिलरली 21% का अगर 8% चला गया तो बचेगा जो 13% यहाँ पे रह जाएगा. Now complete the entire table, guys, all of you, and I hope you are able to understand everything. So please be here with me. Trust me, we are going to solve many questions now, and this topic, this set theory part and Venn diagrams part will be clear for you. Don't worry at all. So just be here with me, guys. If we talk about only physics, then remaining part 12 plus 8. ये जो 12 प्लस है 20 प्लस 26, तो यहाँ पे 26% हो जाएगा. ओनली मैथ्स वाले कितने हो जाएंगे? 13 प्लस 8 दैट इज 21 प्लस 6 27. तो 27 43 से अगर 27 चला गया तो बचेगा कितना? 16% ओवर हियर. ओके, आउट ऑफ 52% अगर 33% चला गया है तो 19% यहाँ पे रह जाएगा. I believe all of you are able to understand this. Now since we have gotten all the percentages, now we know that if there are total 200 students and we know what is the percentage now. Now quickly you just need to tell me the answer. It's quite simple. How many students passed in mathematics only? If we know only mathematics there are 16%. Okay, only mathematics there are 16%. So what do we mean by 16% of 200? Obviously 16 twos are 32 will be there. Very good, Arsh, that's correct. And I want everyone to participate here, guys. So there are total 32 students over here, okay, who passed in mathematics only. Now the question is, okay, Arsh, very good. So you have given the ratio. Find the ratio of students passing in maths only to students passing in chemistry only. So maths only to chemistry only. Maths only 16, chemistry only 19. So for the second question, answer is 16 is to 19. Very good, amazing, Arsh, that's right. Very good, guys. I hope कोई भी doubt नहीं है किसी को. Very good. Now the next one is ratio of students passing physics only to those passing in either in physics or chemistry or both. Yes, very good, Sakshi. Yes, that's right. Avnish, correct एकदम. अब देखो जो थर्ड क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछा है, हमें रेशो किसका चाहिए? फिजिक्स ओनली टू इधर फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री और बोथ, मतलब फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री का यूनियन हमें लेना पड़ेगा. सो आई विल राइट इट ओवर हियर, फिजिक्स अपॉन फिजिक्स यूनियन केमिस्ट्री. ये हमें रेशो चाहिए यहाँ पे, है ना? फिजिक्स यूनियन केमिस्ट्री. सो ओनली फिजिक्स आर 26%, है ना? ओनली फिजिक्स आर 26%. नाउ व्हाट इज द यूनियन ऑफ फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री? कैन यू क्विकली टेल मी? Okay, Ekta, your net is slow. All right, no issues. Try to do one thing. You can decrease the quality. Okay, you can decrease the quality of video. You can just make it 144p. Okay, then maybe you'll be able to watch. Okay, so physics union chemistry. Can anyone give me the answer, guys? Physics union chemistry का total कितना होगा? I want everyone to give me the answer quickly. Anyone? Arsh, okay, Arsh, you are saying no. यूनियन, चेतन, हमें उनका इंटरसेक्शन नहीं चाहिए, हमें उनका यूनियन चाहिए. मैंने बताया था यूनियन मतलब उनके अंदर जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं, वी विल हैव टू ऐड ऑल दोज एलिमेंट्स. ओके, सो यू आर सेइंग 90%. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. 52 प्लस, सी फिजिक्स का पहले तो 52% ले लो, फिजिक्स का पूरा 52% ले लो. अब बचा क्या? ये जो 13 है और ये 19 है, सो 13 प्लस 19 कितना होगा? 32। 32 हो जाएगा ना गाइज, 90 थोड़ी होगा। फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री का 90 थोड़ी होगा, बिकॉज 52% तो फिजिक्स का ले लिया पहले ही। उसके बाद में जो ये था, क्या कहते हैं, केमिस्ट्री का 13 और 19 बचा था, वो ऐड कर लिया, तो 29 प्लस 3 32 हो जाएगा। सो इट विल बी 26 अपॉन 84. दिस विल बी द रेशियो. इज दैट क्लियर गाइज, ऑल ऑफ यू? That is 13 upon 42. This is the ratio for this third question. That is 13 upon 42. This is the answer for this, 13 upon 42. Is that clear, all of you? Sorry, 38. Am I missing something? uh, 52 plus 38 कहाँ से आया? अवनीश 38 कहाँ से आया? 32 रहेगा ना? अरे ये जो 19 है, देखो मैं एक मिनट इंक चेंज कर लेता हूँ तो आपको क्लियरली दिखेगा। लेट्स से यस, ये जो 19 है हमको ये ऐड करना पड़ेगा और ये जो 13 है ये ऐड करना पड़ेगा। सो 13 प्लस 19 कितना होता है? 29 प्लस 3 32 ही तो होगा ना? अवनीश आपको समझ में आ गया अभी? ट्वेंटी सिक्स? अरे बाबा वो हमने ऑलरेडी ऐड कर दिया है ना। 26 तो फिजिक्स का है, मैंने फिजिक्स का 52 पहले ले लिया था पूरा, और बचा हुआ केमिस्ट्री का 13 एंड 19 लिया था। अभी आ गया समझ में? ओके, एक काम करते हैं ऑल ऑफ यू, थोड़ा सा बस वेट कर लो, मैं फिर से आपको थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं कि क्या करना है। ऑल ऑफ यू लिसन केयरफुली। देखो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं, ध्यान से सुनना सब लोग। हर एक नंबर को ऐड करते हैं अच्छे से, डोंट वरी। तो हम क्या करते हैं, एक एक ऐड कर लेते हैं। ये 26, ये जो 6 है, ये 8 है, ये 12 है, ये 13 है और ये 19 है। यही होगा ना फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री का यूनियन, इन सारे नंबर्स का एडिशन होगा। तो कितना होगा बताओ? 26 प्लस 6 प्लस 8 प्लस 12 प्लस 13 प्लस 19, देखो कितना होगा ये 26 अपॉन कितना हो जाएगा? क्विकली टेल मी। आई बिलीव अभी सब लोगों को समझ में आ चुका है। सो 26 प्लस 6 32 प्लस 8 40 प्लस 12 52 प्लस 13 65 प्लस 10 75 प्लस 9 84 बराबर तो किया था भाई हमने, है ना? यस सर, वेरी गुड। चलो अमेजिंग। एक काम करते हैं, अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं जल्दी से। ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल ऑफ यू। यस, ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्विकली। Quite simple question guys. I want everyone to give me the answer for this one. It's quite simple question guys. Think about this. It's a very simple question. और इसको कैसे अप्रोच करना है, I'll quickly explain that also. Don't worry at all, you'll understand everything. In a class of 40 students, 12 enrolled for both English and German. Okay, let's say there are 40 students, 12, this is English, this is German. 12 enrolled for English and German, 22 enrolled for German, so there are total 22 over here. And if the students of class enrolled for at least one of the two subjects, then how many students enrolled only for English and not German? Yes, ओके तो अर्श आपने आंसर दे दिया है। चलो देखते हैं। एंड आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड गाइज। आई होप यू आर एंजॉइंग। क्विकली गिव मी थम्स अप। सब लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है व्हाट एवर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग? 10 विल बी हियर। अब टोटल 22, 40 में से 22 तो चला गया, तो बचा कितना? 18। सो ये जो 18 है यही हमारा आंसर होगा। ओके, ऑप्शन सी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर। वेरी गुड अर्श एंड चेतन, एग्जैक्टली दैट्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. All of you quickly give me a thumbs up guys. I hope you are enjoying the session. Yes, very good Invincible. I hope किसी को भी कोई डाउट नहीं है यहाँ पे. Just a minute. Yeah, this is a really good question guys. This is a really good question. I want you guys to understand this. बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. ओके, सिंपल मतलब बहुत सिंपल नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है, बट अगर आप ध्यान देके सोचोगे तो आराम से सॉल्व हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी एट ऑल. सो प्लीज ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जल्दी से. Okay, I'll give you some time, take 2 minutes if you want, then I'll explain this question in a very step by step manner. You will understand everything. Okay, first you give it a try, then I'll explain. Give it a try, guys. In a class of 120 students, numbered 1 to 120, okay, how many subjects are there? There are total physics, chemistry and mathematics. Yes, there are again 3 subjects. So we have these 3 subjects over here. Okay, physics, chemistry and mathematics. Okay, so think about this now and hit the like button, guys, if you haven't done it yet. I want all of you hit the like button. 21, I don't think 21 is the answer, Sakshi. I guess answer is different, little different. Okay, I'll just draw a little bit neat and clean diagram. This is okay. So this is physics, this is chemistry and this is mathematics. Okay, so should I explain now quickly? If you want to try, please quickly tell me whether you want some time, or should I start explaining right away? All of you just tell me quickly. Okay, guys, so I'll do one thing. I'll start explaining this question. So please give your 100% focus. I want you guys to give your 100% focus. It's a very simple question. Okay, please focus over here. So what they said, all even numbered students opt for physics. Okay, so for physics we need to take all the multiples of 2. Okay, all the okay, you want some time. Okay, fine. So I'll do one thing, I'll explain it slowly. Okay, you also try to solve along with me. For physics we need to take all the multiples of 2. Total are from 1 to 20, 120. There are total 120 numbers. So all the multiples of 2, how many multiples of 2 are there till 120? There are total 60 multiples of 2, right? It means that there are 60 students who opted for physics, isn't it? Because there are 60 multiples of 2 till 120, that's why 60 students opted for physics. Quite simple. Next is whose numbers are divisible by 5 opted for chemistry. Okay, whose numbers are divisible by 5 opted for chemistry. Now multiples of 5 opted for chemistry. How many multiples of 5 will be there? Multiples of 5 will be 24, because there are 24 multiples of 5 till 120. 24 5s are 120. That's why there will be 24 students opted for chemistry. So there are total 24 over here, correct? Now how many opted for mathematics? All the multiples of 7 opted for mathematics, right? How many multiples of 7 are available till 120? Tell me quickly. How many multiples of 7 are there? There are total multiples of 7 will be, there are total 17 multiples of 7. That's why for mathematics there will be 17 students who opted for mathematics. Quite simple. I believe you have understood this part and there is no doubt over here. Okay. Chalo. Now after this the real concept starts. After this, the real concept starts. Now you need to understand how to approach the question. So please try to understand. Okay, you are saying option B. Very good, Ru. Yes, you are saying option B. That's I guess that's the correct answer. So let's try to understand this. All of you, please. Very good, Chetan. Now, multi physics and chemistry. How many students opted for physics and chemistry? You'll have to take the LCM of 2 and 5. LCM of 2 and 5. What is the LCM of 2 and 5? That is 10. So all the multiples of 10 will be choosing physics and chemistry. That is, there are 12 multiples. So this should be 12. Okay, this should be 12. For physics and mathematics, we need to take the LCM of 2 and 7, which is 14. How many multiples of 14 will be there? Can you tell me quickly, guys? Multiples of 14? There will be 8 multiples of 14. So physics, mathematics, there will be, this number will be 14. Now, mathematics and chemistry, for this you need to take the LCM of 5 and 7. So for 5 and 7, which is LCM comes out to be 35. So for 35, how many multiples are there? 35, what is the multiple of how many multiples of 35 are there till 120? There are only 3 multiples, so we'll have to take 3 over here. Now mathematics, physics and chemistry, you'll have to take the LCM of 2, 5 and 7. That is, how many multiples of 70 are there? There is only one multiple of 70. Now we can solve the question completely. Okay, because at the center we will have 1 over here, because there is only one number which is multiple of 2 and 5 and 7. Okay, now out of 12 this will be 11, out of 14 1 gone, 13, here will be 2. So out of 60 for physics, 60 जो physics के है उसमें से कितने चले गए? 13 plus 12 25 चले गए, तो बचे कितने? 35 यहाँ पे हो जाएगा. ओके, केमिस्ट्री के 24 में से कितने चले गए? 11 1 और 2 14 चले गए, तो बचेंगे 10 यहाँ पे हो जाएंगे. ओके, मैथमेटिक्स के जो 17 थे उसमें से 13 प्लस 3 16 चले गए, तो यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा सिर्फ. ओके, 13 प्लस 3 16 चले गए, 1 बचेगा यहाँ पे. ओके, अब सिंपली हमें क्या करना है? हाउ मेनी ऑप्टेड फॉर नन ऑफ द 3 सब्जेक्ट्स? we will have to take the addition of all the subjects over here. We'll have to take the addition of all the subjects. Okay, that is, कहीं पे कुछ मिसिंग है क्या? अभी कहीं पे कुछ मिसिंग है? 60 plus 10 70 plus 3 73. Is there anything missing over here? Anyone, guys? कोई नंबर आपको मिसिंग दिख रहा है क्या? Any number missing over here? The summation should have been 69. समेशन हमारा 69 होना चाहिए था. कहीं पे कुछ तो मिसिंग है शायद से. 8. फिजिक्स एंड मैथमेटिक्स जो है वो, अच्छा फिजिक्स एंड मैथमेटिक्स मैंने यहाँ पे 14 क्यों लिखा है? यहाँ पे 8 होना चाहिए था ना. फिजिक्स एंड मैथमेटिक्स जो है वो 8. अच्छा ये गलती हो गई, यहाँ पे 8 होना चाहिए था, तो यहाँ पे 7 आ जाएगा गाइस. नहीं, इसमें से उससे भी कोई फायदा तो नहीं होगा. 8 60. ओके, हाँ चेंज तो होगा. वेट, तो 60 में से 11 प्लस 69. आई गेस कोई तो एक नंबर कुछ मिसिंग हो गया है, बट आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू अप्रोच दिस. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, जस्ट इतना मार्क कर लीजिए आप सब लोग. विल गेट टू दिस क्वेश्चन बैक गाइस. बाकी सब कुछ जो मैंने बताया है वो एज इट इज आपको फॉलो करना है. ओनली पी इज 47, ओनली एम इज 7, ओनली फिजिक्स इज 41, 11 प्लस 11 प्लस 1, 11 प्लस 18, अच्छा 12 या यहाँ पे ये तो करेक्ट है, यहाँ पे ये 41 होना चाहिए, ठीक है. और अच्छा 7 प्लस करेक्ट. गिव ए मिनट, मैं यहाँ पे चेंज कर देता हूँ थोड़ा सा. वेरी गुड, तो थैंक यू सो मच. तो 17 में से यहाँ पे टोटल कितना चला गया, 10, यहाँ पे 7 हो जाएगा. ओके ओके ओके, वेरी गुड, अमेजिंग, वेरी गुड गाइस, वेरी गुड. तो अभी देखो यहाँ पे उनका समेशन 79 हो जाएगा. सबको ऐड करोगे तो 79 समेशन हो जाएगा. फ्रॉम 120 यू विल हैव टू सब्सट्रैक्ट 79, तो हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा 41. वेरी सिंपल. बस एक कहीं पे थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो गया था इसलिए वो गड़बड़ी हो गई. बट आई बिलीव ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस पार्ट गाइस. चलो चलो जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं. जस्ट अ मिनट, आई या ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन एवरीवन. इट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. पहले जस्ट पढ़ लो कि क्या लिखा है, फिर मैं आपको टेबल दिखाता हूं. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. आई वांट यू गाइस टू प्लीज क्विकली फोकस ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन. बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. पहले रीड कर लो जल्दी से क्या लिखा है इस क्वेश्चन में, देन विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस. ओके, फिर जो टेबल है वो टेबल मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. पहले जल्दी से इसको रीड कर लीजिए सब लोग. Table A below provides the data about ages of children in school, and whenever you find a set like this, you just quickly read the data and try to understand what are the key takeaway points from this column. Okay, so जल्दी से पढ़ो, फिर हम देखते हैं कि आगे क्या टेबल दिया है. ठीक है, did you read this part guys quickly? Once you have read this, we will see what is the table. Okay, now first of all I'll explain what is the table. Now there are three tables over here. First table shows age, second table is height, and third table is their weight. Just last this is the last set we are going to understand today. So please, ये बहुत अच्छा सेट है. सब लोग ध्यान देके सुनो कि इसको कैसे अप्रोच करना है. ओके, एक सेट थ्योरी जैसा ही ये बिल्कुल सेट है. ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. पहले मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूं कि 4 इयर्स तक हमें यहाँ पे कितने स्टूडेंट्स दिख रहे हैं. देयर आर 9 स्टूडेंट्स टिल द एज ऑफ 4 इयर्स, एंड टिल द एज ऑफ 5 इयर्स देयर आर टोटल 12 चिल्ड्रन. इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा कि 4 इयर्स तक 9 चिल्ड्रन है और 5 इयर्स तक 12 चिल्ड्रन है. तो इसका मीनिंग ये होगा क्या कि 5 इयर्स के 12 चिल्ड्रन है. The children whose ages are 5 years, those will be 12 children. Does it mean like this? The meaning will be जो जिनका एज 4 years है, 4 years और less, तब तक total there are 9 children, and just above that till 5 years there are only 3 children extra. I hope you are able to understand this part. There are 3 children extra. Similarly, हाइट की बात करेंगे तो 115 सेंटीमीटर तक देर आर 6 चिल्ड्रन, राइट, एंड 120 तक देर आर 11. मतलब 115 के ऊपर 120 तक देर आर 5 एक्स्ट्रा चिल्ड्रन. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस पार्ट. तो इसी वे में ये तीनों हमें कॉलम दिए हैं, तीनों टेबल्स दिए हैं. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस we'll try to solve the question. So please give your 100% focus. Okay, this is the last question we are going to solve. I hope you are able to understand everything. What is the number of children of age 9 years or less whose height does not exceed 135 centimeter? Can you solve this quickly guys, all of you? I want everyone to answer this quickly. What is the number of children of age 9 years or less whose height does not exceed 135? It's quite simple. देखो, सबसे पहले तो 9 years के आगे I'll make a line over here. So till the age of 9 there are total 48 children, and till the height of 135 children we have only 45 children. So Out of those 48 children, only 45 children will be taken. Only those 45 children will be taken because we have to take the intersection of both the sets, right? So answer will be 45. I believe you understood this part and there is no doubt over here, guys. सबको आ गया समझ में? किसी को कोई डाउट है? वेरी गुड. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस पार्ट. ओके, क्योंकि जो टोटल 9 इयर्स तक के 48 चिल्ड्रन है उसमें से ही मुझे 45 लेने पड़ेंगे जिनका हाइट 135 है या उससे नीचे है, राइट? तो चलो जल्दी से ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दो. आई वांट आंसर फ्रॉम एवरी वन ऑफ यू. क्विकली गिव द आंसर, गाइस. Yes, very good, very good. I hope all of you are able to understand this. How many children of age more than 10 years are taller than 150 and do not weigh more than 48 kg? बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है गाइस, बहुत ही सिंपल है. I want answer from every one of you. Quickly give me the answers here. I want everyone to quickly give me the answer. और अगर आपने अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया है, quickly hit the like button, guys. All of you hit the like button quickly. And चलो इसको सॉल्व करके मैं बताता हूँ. बहुत ही सिंपल सा लॉजिक है गाइस. How many children age more than 10 years? सबसे पहले we know that there are 100 children overall. And till 10 years there are 60 children till the age of 10 years. तो उसके ऊपर कितने children होने चाहिए? 40 obviously. Because till the age of 10 years there are 60 children, so above that we will have 40 children left, and after that we want them to be taller than 150. तो taller than 150 कितने होंगे? taller than 150, देखो 150 तक हमारे पास 75 चिल्ड्रन है. तो वही जो पहले वाले 40 थे उसमें से बचे कितने अभी नीचे? बचे हमारे पास टोटल कितने बचे? 25. ओके, वो जो 40 जो एज की केस में वो क्वालिफाई हो चुके थे उसमें से 25 ही क्वालिफाई हो पाए हाइट के लिए. अब आगे देखते हैं कि वेट के लिए कितने क्वालिफाई होते हैं. हमें चाहिए कि 48 से ज्यादा वेट नहीं होना चाहिए. आई बात समझ में? मतलब 48 से ज्यादा वेट नहीं होना चाहिए. तो हमें 48 तक कितने चिल्ड्रन है? 91. तो 91 कहां से लेके कहां तक अभी क्वालिफाई होंगे? 76 से लेके 91 तक के जो जिनका रोल नंबर है मान लेते हैं वही सिर्फ क्वालिफाई हो पाएंगे. दैट इज 91 माइनस 75. ये हो जाएगा हमारा आंसर कितना? 16. राइट? सो देयर आर ओनली 16 चिल्ड्रन हु कुड क्वालिफाई दिस. सबको आ गया समझ में गाइस? किसी को कोई भी डाउट है? ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज टेल मी क्विकली. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस एंड देयर इज नो डाउट ओवर हियर. यस और नो? Quickly tell me, guys. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. किसी को भी कोई डाउट नहीं है. And since this was my first session with you guys, I believe it was good for you. I hope everyone understood this part. So you must know that my code is Sky10. Okay, if you want to get the Unacademy Plus subscription, quickly get this, use this code, guys, Sky10, and you'll get to enjoy 10% off on any subscription plan you are going for. Okay, so how was the session? Did you enjoy the session, guys? Tell me quickly. I hope it was enjoyable for every one of you, and we will have 2 more sessions of logical reasoning, so you'll understand everything, so don't worry at all. Along with we have CAT courses. Along with that we have many other courses like this UPSC, JEE, bank exams, SSC exams. So if there is anyone in your contact or you want to prepare it yourself, then you can use the code and just get 10% off on any subscription. So thank you so much, guys. It was really nice being with you for 1.5 hours, and I hope all of you enjoyed the session. It was helpful for you. It helped you in some way. Okay, so we'll have 2 more sessions. I hope you'll enjoy this journey with me. Again, I'm Akash Pahurkar, and I'll be taking care of logical reasoning. There will be 2 more sessions now. So bye bye, guys. Take care. Have a great day ahead. Good night now. Yes. Thank you so much for having a lot of patience, because for 1.5 hours we were here. Okay, so yeah, bye bye guys, bye bye. Thank you so much. Good night now. I'm ending the session. Yeah, thank you so much guys. Thank you so